Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pritam here, and welcome to my channel Connect to Pritam. Guys, today's video is purely in English. So, today I will take a trade which is based on the rejection strategy again. Here I have placed a Bollinger Band for the purpose of only finding the trade, finding the trend of the market, whether this is in a downtrend or a uptrend. So, guys, let's watch my strategy, watch my trade on which basis I am gonna trade take. So my first rule always to go with the trend, and your rule also should be the same. So here I will draw my trend line here. Always go with a label because market expect every labels, whether this is a trend line or this may be a SNR levels. So always go with those labels. Here this is a sign of a downtrend, so I will place your trade in the direction of down for 1 minute because see this is a downtrend, and here this is a sign of continuation because this is a downward movement. This is a very strong momentum of the seller, and see here the single buyers are seen in the market always. And here what happened to this level? This level is working as a retracement candle. So again I put here the lower option because of the strong downtrend market. I have placed here the lower option, and I'm sure that this is the winning trade. So guys, always trade nearby the support and resistance level and in the direction of trend. If you are going to against the trend, there may be chances that there are the some rejection or strong dominance seller or buyers. That's why I will always recommend you to go with the trend. My second rule is strong SNR level. If you are watching this video, then you might have seen, you might have know about the strong level, and if you don't know, then put me comment in the comment box. Then I will only make a video on the trend line and SNR level. How to find a strong SNR level? Yeah, this is a downtrend, and getting rejected from that level. These are the strong level previously, which is respected by the market earlier. One time, two time, three time, four time, five time, and six time. That's why this candle is again respecting those the level. So these levels are very important levels. So try to trade always those level with the rejection. So come to the rejection point. What rejections strategy says? Wait, I am finding some trend line. Okay, here. Always trade at Shana level. My third point is take a confirmation. Confirmation in the sense uh, any type of rejection in the direction of trend in which you want to do trade. If this is a downtrend, then if this getting the retracement at that point, you can go with the rejection. And here this is a label. I can show you how rejection seen in the 5-second candle. Here guys, see here, this was the previous candle, this was the previous candle from here. And 1 minute, the previous candle closes at this level. So on for 6 point here, uh, uh, because we have only 30 seconds to take a trade. This is a 5 second chart, and here this is a level for, where the previous cable closed, and now I have only two levels here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here this is a good confirmation. But always avoid this type of candle, because these are not a very strong candle. These are good candle, but this also works because this is a downward movement. That's why I was telling you that always go with the trend, and here it works very well. So always take a confirmation. Again, I am looking for a good trade. Then I will again explain you why I have taken this trade. My purpose of placing that RSI is find the entry point against the trend only, because if you trying this level, then you can not go against the trend, and you can also can't go with the trend, because if this is a strong candle, then you might have seen this is a minor uptrend, and here again this will go in up direction. But here this RSI says that this is in overbought zone, so there may be chances that this candle may go reverse from that point. And here one thing you should consider also, there is a level of which the market is respected earlier. See guys, this is the level, and here this is getting this rejected and reversal here. It also works here. So always it works. Here also you can see this is working. Here also you can see this is working. But my recommendation is only go with the trend. If you are following this strategy, so there might be chances that lagging up finding the trend, finding the trade, you might have wait for half an hour, or this might not get, but this will be the your short trade. Okay, I am finding some another pair. I will got trade. It's a downtrend market, and always try to trade in those market where you have got the lower low and lower high in the case of downtrend, and in higher high and higher low in case of the uptrend. So I want to show you how this is a downtrend market, and if you want to trade in such a market, and if you find that this is a trade, this like of trade, you do trade, because this is the retracement candle. At that point you can take a rejection from that level, and you can go with down for 1 minute or 2 minutes also. So the next lower low is here, but this is crossed by this level, and this is a new lower low, as this is a new lower high, and here is also a lower high. If these levels are breaked by some of here, suppose this is a previous higher high, and this is not getting making low, this is good getting like such in direction, so there is a not a good trend, there may be a chances of a reversal. So if this type of trend you got in the market, so be cautious and stop your taking trade in the direction of trend. So still I have not any uh, trading opportunity. I am looking for trading opportunity, but guys, I have tested this strategy for long time that it works maximum, but this is a very tricky trade if you are going against the trend. Here this is a uptrend, and see here guys, this is making a new high, so I can go with minor trend. This is a uptrend, and the major trend also in the uptrend. So if I got the trade, then I will place the trade in the up direction. If this candle go closes above that level, then I can go with buyers. But here This is a kind of some weaker market. Okay, don't get confused with Bollinger Band because I only placed a Bollinger Band for only finding the trend and volatility of the market. So if you are also comfortable with this some noise, then you can go with this, no problem. But today my strategy is only taking a trade in the direction of trend. Here this is a strong candle and this is changing the momentum because this was the previous level. So let's draw this level, and on the future I will only trade in the direction of uptrend because the minor trend is in uptrend. We're getting rejected, getting weak. So no problem. Here if this candle make a new lower high, higher low, then only I will put my trade in the up direction and the rejection and the confirmation. So still not getting any signal. Here this is a very big candle. It covers almost all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. But this type of candle is already covered, so there may be a chances of retestment with a small red candles. That's why I will not place here the trade. Okay, looking for some good trade here. Let's draw some trend line. This might work in the future. This is a trend line. These are the points. These are the points. These are working one time, two time, three time, and might be in future for the fourth time. So here it is getting weak because this level is in extreme condition. So I can go once against the trend, but today this is not my topic. But I can told you that here this is a rejection sellers getting weak here somehow because the previous candle very strong candle at not closed below this level, but this is a sign of a reversal. No problem. I will not go against the trend here because this is an uptrend, so I will trade in the direction of uptrend. There might be a chances of a one entry point in the direction in the opposite direction, but there will be a risky trade. Now this is the opportunity here. Let's draw these levels first. These are the support area for the market. But there is a problem because here is the level and this is a strong level. So this is already making the double top, and double after getting double top the market has a chances of getting reverse. So here this is not a sign of any a weak candle because this is also a very strong candle. So I want rejection from that area. This might work because this is some seller's entry. So I can go with buyers for 2 minutes here. But these are very strong candle, and I will not go now trend because there is not any signal. Always guys trade with signal, trade with confirmation. This might be some late entry, but this works very well. Okay, so today I covered my all strategy, even every binary trader strategy you can say, because I am not tested this strategy my own because I have also learned from somewhere. So I am also giving you this candle, but I have tested this. This works maximum in the market. Okay, no problem. There are some things you should consider in your mind always, and that is some point. However, I have completed three of them, and my last topic is money management. Money management is very necessary for success in the market. Always go with money management plan, and which is 3 to 5% of total money always for being safe. If you're a beginner, then you must have go with the starting point, and this is the lowest price. This is $1. But if you are some experience, then you can go with 5% or 7% also. For a long time, I am not getting any signal, so no problem. I am looking for signal here. This is a strong candle, but it's a very strong candle. So always avoid the trade on a very big candle, because this big candle already exhausts of the buyers. So there may be chances of rest, and there may be uh, retracement of sellers. So no problem. If I got trade, then only I will place the trade. This is a uptrend market, and here this has worked, but there is not a strong candle because this is a strong downward momentum, and there is also a seller's rejection in itself this candle. So I am trying to find my trade. It's getting a very long videos, no problem. I am looking for some trade which will be based on the reaction. Here also this market is getting in the downward direction. So in future I will trade at this level, because this will work as a resistance level for this market. So this is downtrend, and here I will go with a confirmation, then only I will place the trade. But this is strongly break this level. Here again I am not getting any signal, getting rejected, but I will not taking trade after this making a big candle, no problem. Sometimes market didn't give you the signal for trade for a long time. Here I was saying what, this is a weak candle, so I always avoid to trade with a weak candle, because you can see there is a support level, and this is making this type of a green signal. So there is a chances that this may getting it, but there is chances, because here you can see the buyer's entry from that level to that level. That's why I was saying that always go with the trend, but at only candle as per you. Here I am looking for a trade for a longer time. It's not getting me. Actually, I'm waiting for this level. If okay, this is a very strong candle again. No, I will not going to trade in that type of candle. See ya guys. This trade was on the candlestick pattern. This is an inverted hammer pattern, and here this is a sign of reversal. So that candle is getting stronger in the bullish direction. See, this is the same condition in AUD, JPY. Here I am looking for some trade, but not meet me. No problem. I want a proper confirmation. I want to show you my strategy, that how it works. So there is a chances. This is a good level. If this candle getting weak at that level, then on the next candle I can go with the sellers, because this is a downtrend market for last 10 to 15 minutes. So I am waiting for this candle to getting weak. If this candle is closes below that level, then I will put my trade in the down direction. Still, this is not a signal. Yeah, this is a hammer. But the problem is this is a major trend in uptrend, but this is a strong candle. That's why this is getting here. I can go with sellers here, but there is a chances of reversal due to this weak candle. No problem. I looking for another candle. This video is getting some longer, but no problem. Okay, here I will go with sellers. Here I will go with sellers, but not getting signal. No problem. I'm looking for a good signal, but there's a problem. There are some my losses in the trade. Okay, I will finish this video if I not get the signal. But my overall motto is always try to go with. Here I will go with sellers because of the filling gap strategy. Here this is a label. The next level is here, and this is a downtrend, and this candle is not able to cross the next here label. That's why I have placed here the lower option. This strategy is not my strategy, but for a long time I was not getting trade. That's why I was taking a trade, because this is a downward movement, and here is the next level. So this candle have some gap to be filled. That's why this candle is filling this gap. So there is 15 seconds. I will close my video after this trade. There may be chances of filling the gap here. Okay, no problem. This is a winning trade. So guys, my overall motto was always find the proper opportunity in the market. Here, some guys will what happen. Some guys will what do here. They will think that this is a hammer candle, and they will try to call here, but that trade might be lost. So always try to do with some strategy. So guys, thanks for watching this video.